Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tawfiq Ahmed Hassan. I'm from Bazipura and recently I was cleared my 12th class. So first of all, I'm going to talk about my past experiences from these institutions. Sometimes my experience is English speaking. Before joining this coaching center, I was not able to speak in front of others because I feel hesitated that time. And that time, some people told me you are a peculiar child. You are not able to speak in front of others. At that time I feel hesitated. But I can say my experiences was not good before joining this institution. But Shibir sirs guided us very well. And this time we are able to speak in front of 1,000 people. What is the reason? The reason is my hard work, my consistency, my focus, and this institution gives best for us. And I remember, but I never forget this institution because this institution gives me best than every institution. Because I am very thankful to Shibir sir. I will not forget forever this sir because who guided us very well. This time we are able to speak in front of others and in front of thousands of people. Before joining this coaching center, I was not sure that I am able to speak in, I can say some people, but this time I am able to speak in front of thousands of people but without any fear, without any kind of hesitation. This institution is very best for you people. If you are joining this institution, if you are not able to speak in front of others, if you are feeling hesitated from delivering lecture time, then you are able to speak in English. Then you will come this institution and attend some classes and take some, I can say, and learn some those very laws and very, I can say, suggestions. It's very important. But before when I came this institution, sir told me, why are you feeling hesitation? Please, yaar, come. This institution this is for you. This is your performance. Please come in this institution and deliver lecture, whether it is wrong, whether it is right. But time and again, your confidence level will be increased, and time is coming in your life. First time that you will be able to speak in front of others without any kind of fear. This time is my life. This is I feel very, very. I don't think about who I feel. I feel a lot of things because this time is better time in my life. But this time I am able to speak in front of only the reason of previous sir. I will not forget this sir. This sir changed my life, and I will not forget this institution. This institution changed our life. And my message is for other people. If you are feel demotivated, then you will come this institution, attend some classes, and try to speak in English in front of others. Gradually, your confidence level will increase because you are a student. You are a shining star of our nation. If you are become a doctor, if you are become engineer, leadership qualities are most important. Leadership qualities are how can I able to improve my communication skills. Nobody is born a good communicator because English language is a global language. You can use outside the country peoples. If you are understand English language, if you are learn English language, you can use outside the countries and make many friends and talk with others. Very easy. It's very easy. It's not a toughest language. Before I am joining this coaching center, I feel English language is tough, but this time I am able to speak in thousands of people without any kind of effort, without any kind of fear. Because this time I am confident. I feel confident, but this time I am able to speak in front of others, in front of 1,000 people. And I am very, 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 very thankful to this institution and Shibir sir who guided me very well. And this time I will never forget forever this institution. Thank you very much.